Hindustan Aeronautics will start delivery of Tejas MK1A fighter jets from February 2024, which will see the induction of 4 MK1A fighter jets into the Indian Air Force. The peak production rate will reach 16 units per year from 2026 onwards, but HAL is targeting to squeeze in more deliveries from 2026 onwards, so that orders for 73 MK1A fighter jets can be completed before 2029, for the possibility of additional orders for 50 more MK1A fighter jets by the Indian Air Force before the end of 2028. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders is boosting its research and development activities in the development of many components and systems that will result in the development of a truly indigenous conventional submarine for the Indian Navy. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders and the Indian Navy are also working together to develop pump jet propulsion for its nuclear and non-nuclear submarine programs that will also be used in the 12 indigenous next-generation conventional submarines under Project 76 with Warship Design Bureau by 2030. The proposal worth 8,000 crore rupees for the purchase of 310 ATAGS Howitzers will be cleared by the Cabinet Committee on Security by end of this month, which will be manufactured by 2 private sector firms, Bharat Forge and Tata Power SED. DRDO's Armament Research and Development Establishment along with IIT Madras and IIT Kanpur are jointly working on redesigning an existing 155mm shell using Ramjet propulsion that will be compatible with ATAGS and will have a range of over 60 kilometers. It will use a precision guidance kit for trajectory correction, and once ready, it will be manufactured by Munitions India Limited. Indian Navy Chief has said that both the F/A-18 Super Hornet and Rafale Marine fighter jet meets the requirements of the Navy, and a selection between them will be the government's decision. He also added that the Rafale Marine has commonality with the Rafale F-3R fighter jets of the Indian Air Force in terms of spares and support. Meanwhile, the French media has claimed that the deal for 26 Rafale Marine could be signed during French President's visit to India in March. Hindustan Aeronautics built HJT-36 intermediate jet trainer had completed 6 turn spins on each side last year, and the aircraft is set to clear final round of trials in coming months, and HAL officials are confident that the final certification of the aircraft will happen in the next 12 months, that will clear its path for production. The Indian Air Force is looking to procure 80 Stage 2 trainers, and orders will be placed in the next 2 years. The first edition of the Naval Commanders Conference 2023 will start tomorrow, and for the first time it is being held at sea, on board India's first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant, to discuss important security issues at the military strategic level. The 6th meeting of India-US Joint Working Group on Aircraft Carrier Technology was organized in India, and during the meeting, the 2 sides discussed plans for future cooperation under various aspects of aircraft carrier technology. An Indian delegation also participated in the inaugural Joint Working Group meeting on India-UK Electric Propulsion Capability Partnership on 3rd March in the UK.
Omar dropped it.